In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a balance transfer with Wells Fargo. We'll take you through each step to ensure you understand the process clearly and can follow along with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your phone. Enter your username and password to sign in. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, you can find it in your app store. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, make sure your login credentials are handy. Being prepared with your information can save you some time and potential frustration later. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here, you need to locate your credit card account, the one you want to transfer the balance to. Tap on this account to proceed. Keep in mind that you're looking for the credit card where you intend to transfer your existing balance from another card or lender. Next, as you scroll down the account page, search for the option labeled Balance Transfer or Transfer a Balance. It's typically easy to find, but if you run into any trouble, remember to be patient and give it another look. A quick search online can also give you visual guides if you get stuck. Tap on the correct option to move to the next step where we'll actually be setting up the details of our balance transfer. Now that you're in the transfer section, select the lender or credit card you want to transfer the balance from. If Wells Fargo's app recognizes any of your external accounts, they might already be listed. However, if your account isn't linked yet, you can manually enter the necessary details. Ensure all information is correct to avoid errors or delays. After specifying the source account, it's time to decide how much money you'd like to transfer. Whichever amount you choose, ensure it falls within your available credit limit on your Wells Fargo card. This is crucial to avoid declined transactions or unnecessary complications. Before finalizing the transaction, review the terms carefully. This step is key. Check the annual percentage rate, or APR, and any associated balance transfer fees. Understanding these elements helps you make informed financial decisions and can save you money in the long run. Once you've gone through the details and you feel comfortable proceeding, tap Submit or Continue to officially submit your request. Finally, you will be directed to a confirmation screen indicating that your balance transfer request is complete. Keep in mind, though, that transactions like these may take between 5 to 7 business days to fully process. Be sure to monitor your old account and new Wells Fargo account in the meantime to track the transfer's progress. And that wraps up everything you need to successfully transfer a balance using the Wells Fargo mobile app. By following these systematic steps and paying close attention to the details, you can ensure your balance transfer is smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feel free to explore more financial tips and tutorials.